You have to lose 1,000 times to win just once. Remember this. You will be free once you realize that your cage is made up of your thoughts. Remember this. Start controlling your time and you will see how much of it you already wasted. Remember this. If you want to feel better, blame others. And if you want to get better, blame yourself. Remember this. It's your discipline that shapes your future, not just your dreams. Remember this. Just be silent in the heat of anger. Remember this. Sometimes it is necessary to be lonely in order to prove you are right. Remember this. You have two choices. Number one, you can use your energy to worry. And number two, you can use your energy to manifest, to build, to grow, to glow, and to be far better from here. Remember this. When bird is alive, it eat ants. When bird is dead, ants eat the bird. Time changes every day, every second. Just wait for your turn. Remember this. Don't blame your distractions. Sharpen your focus. Remember this. If you don't lose by yourself, you are sure to win. Remember this. Life gives you two choices. Hunt or get hunted. Remember this. Consistency can put you in that situation where luck is going to strike more positive. Remember this. Damaged people are dangerous. They know they can survive. Remember this. That dream is planted in your heart for a reason. Chase it. Remember this. If it keeps you happy, keep it private. Remember this. The magic, the success you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Remember this. An expert is a person who has made all the mistakes. Remember this. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Remember this. Never ever announce your moves before you make them. Remember this. A man who is willing to suffer in order to win is unbeatable. Remember this. A clarity that hurts you is better than the hopeful confusion that holds you. Remember this. Dream big, move small, but most importantly, you have to start. Remember this. The biggest way to kill a dream is to just show it to a small mind. Remember this. Don't block all your haters. Leave one or two so they can report to headquarters. Remember this. Learn to sit back and observe. Not everything need your reaction. Remember this. You can bounce back from anything. It's just about your mindset. Remember this. Life is better when nobody knows what you are doing. Remember this. Learn to be quiet. Everyone is not in your team. Remember this. Decisions, not conditions, determine what a man is. Remember this. Wait it out. Be patient. Great things takes time. Remember this. Never ever forget who paid your bill when your pocket was empty. Remember this. Fight it or accept it. Fear it or control it. Remember this. Your lack of dedication is insult to those who believe in you. Remember this. Smart people know when to act stupid. Remember this. You are busy doubting yourself and others are afraid of your true potential. Remember this. The pain will leave once it's done teaching you. Remember this. Never ever give up because great things takes time. Remember this. Avoid people who are close to those people who dislikes you. They are very, very dangerous. Remember this. You are so lucky. No, you work so hard. Remember this. Never be a prisoner of your past. It's just a life lesson, not a life sentence. Remember this. Be careful with what you tolerate. You are teaching people how to treat you. Remember this.